Hello everyone, and welcome back to my home. This is Charlotte, and this is one of my favorite videos to make because I get to open up a package from Angel Dream Crafts Kim, and this happens every other month, so it's exciting for me to see what I have, and to start thinking about what I am going to create. And as I'm doing that, I'm looking at the calendar and I'm still on June. So this is going to end up in somebody's something. So happy 1st of July. I don't think this video is going up on the 1st, probably the 2nd. But whenever you happen to see it, happy July. I have seen online lots of people are doing Christmas in July. That will not be me. I am not prepared at all for that, so nope. All right, I did go ahead and just slit this open. So, yeah, Kim always packages everything so beautifully, but tight, so it scares me when I go to open up anything that's in here. Oh my goodness, I think I see satin. What do we have? Oh, we have a, it's a tassel. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my gosh, that is absolutely, oh my gosh. Kim, you are just such a sweetheart. It's on with a, is that a bulb pin? Yes, it's on with a bulb pin. It's got a piece of, hopefully you can see this, a piece of bling. And look at, oh my goodness. Okay, we can use this as is or clip this off. Look at all the individual pieces you have. Oh, I've had this lace and I used it all. I am so happy to have that. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Love this because this is good for the top of tags, for using just as something like this, for using on the edge of journal pages. I mean, you name it. The size is perfect. Ooh, now I've never, okay, I've missed that. That is gorgeous. Love that. Then there's this piece. Here's a piece of a doily or a doily, some more of the pink. Oh, look at how beautiful, beautiful this is. What a pretty, Kim, thank you. Thank you so much. I almost don't want to open this because this is so beautiful the way it is. And now I have to ask, I've not noticed, I'm wondering if Kim is selling, I'm pretty sure this is satin in her shop. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. You know, guys, when I put my order in, I always forget what I've ordered, always. And then when I look at it, a lot of times I'm like, oh yes, I remember that. But many times it's like Christmas for me because I truly don't remember what I'm working with, because when I do order, I don't know ahead of time what I'm going to be designing. It's very much off the cuff. So an idea will come to me and I'll go, oh yeah, let's do that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. If you use it this way, it's like a garden of daisies. Look at that. You can clip each daisy off and use it like that, just as a single, a double, a triple, a yard, whatever you want. And then even this way, absolutely stunning. Beautiful. So if any of you have laces like that, just know, I mean, I learned from Roxy or Rosanne over at Roxy Fiber Art, cut your lace up into whatever you want and use it. Look at that. The same with this. Use it piecemeal if you want, or just cut this piece out. Maybe this works. Looking at this, I'm thinking, how cute would this be on a journal cover with a, off the top of my head, I want to say a button. So this would be a closure. How cute. This is so pretty. Yeah, be sure all the links are below. Be sure you visit Kim's shop on Etsy, and be sure you check out the designers because their projects are just gorgeous. Even if one of us is creating a project and maybe you would never make that project, but maybe that project, watching that, gives you an idea for something like a spin-off. It's worth it. You know, they have so much talent. Beautiful, beautiful. Same with this. You could cut this right down. You could cut these pieces off here. This could be a piece. This could be a piece. On down. I don't look at lace the same way anymore. I look at the potential of what I can do with that lace, but this is so pretty. Really pretty. Love this. Look at that. This reminds me of lace when I was growing up. It's not heavy, but it's solid. Really, really beautiful. Let's see. Oh, I reordered these because I love them. I just love them. These work well on a anything, a tag, a page, a snippet, a belly band, a cover, just about a card, an envelope. They're so pretty and they're just versatile. So beautiful, beautiful. And I don't think we looked at this. This, grapes, look at that. Oh my goodness, I love that. Look at that, clusters of grapes and grape leaves. Oh my gosh, beautiful, absolutely stunning. And then this is popping out and it's catching my eye. Look at this, daisies. I must have, okay, what's the right side? I think this is the right side. Oh, I think I had daisy on the brain because, oh boy, I scored. These are gorgeous. The scallops, the daisies. Oh, my head is spinning, but I'm coming up with zero ideas. I'm just excited to have this, to use it, but I don't, yeah. I have one idea. I don't want to share it with you. I need to create it. Then I'll share it with you. Or maybe we'll do it together. It depends on how much of the sewing machine that I'm going to need. This is beautiful. It's heavy, but it's very soft. Absolutely stunning. Technically, I see right off the top of my head 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can add more pieces just by cutting the leaves off. Really, really beautiful. Larger, medium, and 2 smaller. And I know some might create a flower by layering this. That would be really pretty. Yes, it would. Okay, I see lots of possibilities in that. And then this type of lace I duly love because you can use this by itself. You could use this as a pocket in a journal. You could use it as a ruffle, a belly band. You can layer on top of this. I have a hard time with that, just to say, because I think this is so beautiful. I hate to cover it up. But beautiful, beautiful. Love that. Okay, and then ruffles. You can never go wrong with ruffles. Ruffles can be layered. Ruffles can be left alone. This is a double ruffle, And it's lightly gathered, which I really like because it has a tendency to lay more flat. Beautiful. You could use it like this and put something in the center. How pretty is that? It's got like little squares. So pretty. And pearls. You can't go wrong with pearls, guys. You just can't. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, with the netting. This, I think this type of lace has become one of my favorites. It's all embellished, and then it has netting, and it gives, the netting to me just gives it such a softness that is so beautiful. And as I'm looking at this, this reminds me almost of holly leaves and Christmas. It does. Doesn't have to be, and I don't think it is, but that's what it reminds me of. Holly leaves. That is really pretty. Really pretty. And once again, this can be clipped off. You could clip off individual leaves if you wanted. So this could be 3 leaves, or it could be a cluster like it is. And you could clip off these individual flowers. Really beautiful. And you can see the pearls are sewn on. They're not glued. So you have a good quality. Very nice. Beautiful. This, I think I had gotten this in one of the months before, and I loved it. So yeah, just really pretty. I wanted more of it. I have used this on snippets on tags and as a border, and I just think it's light, and it's just beautiful. And then I wanted to go with something that had more width, but something that looked old. I do remember I wanted something vintage, and this is exactly it. That is prettier in person than I thought it would be. This is gorgeous. And can you see how soft it is? Really nice. Very nice. And then, of course, we have a little bag of some I wanted to say trinkets, but I guess they could be trinkets, but they're technically not trinkets. But I see a lot of really pretty things in here, so let's just... Beautiful that I have the pink satin rosettes, because I am pretty sure I don't have any more, and that is these. I made some envelopes before and used these. They're so pretty to top off at the top of a tag if you're putting on some lace. And something like, I've got this in front of me, let's just pretend, you know, to put one up there. I mean, it makes all the difference in the world. So I love having these. And then I see, I think that's the back. How pretty. No, this is a button. Okay, I do remember ordering these. Look at that pretty butterfly. Isn't that beautiful? So there are, I think, 4 butterflies. And then these gorgeous pearls. Look at that. Heart pearls with the heart-shaped bling. So pretty. And there are 4 of these. Oh, beautiful. Thank you so much, Kim. And thank you for the bag. I am kind of developing an idea. So, yeah, my head is spinning, and this is all lovely. So guys, thank you for spending a few minutes with me and sharing with me what was in my incredible package from Angel Dream Crafts Kim on Etsy. Be sure to check out the other designers. I am going to head that way and see if everybody has gotten their beautiful laces and see what they have to say. Sometimes we get the same things. We will order the same things. I kind of love that when that happens, because when I create something with it, it's also different, and I love seeing what they do. So have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will catch you in the next video. Hugs to everyone. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.